Do you know what Trump called the African leaders? He called them a shit house, shithole. Why you think he called them a shithole? Jordan is right there beside Palestine. Egypt. Ethiopia. And they're not doing a bloody thing because they're afraid of the European that move up into the land that they call Israel. And they're all afraid. That's why Trump said they are a bunch of shithole. You could imagine the former president of the United States calling the African leader a bunch of shithole. You know why? Because you're not helping the Palestinians. You're letting them get killed. They're letting them get killed one by one. And the European is going to kill them. No doubt about it. The European is going to kill them all. And they are not afraid of doing it. With the help of the United States government. Not the people, the United States government. Also corrupt. We already know that they took the land away from the Indians and the black people. There is no doubt about it. They took the land away and they also killed the people. And that's the same genocide that is taking place into the land of Canaan. The land of Canaan is Africa land. And the black people all sitting back and not doing a bloody thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? The African people or the African government is sitting back and not doing a bloody thing. You know why? Because they're all scared. And that's what's taking place. If they don't wake up, all the African black people are going to die sooner or later from the hands of the white man because they're not afraid.